In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Calendly to Shopify step by step so your customers can book calls, demos, consultations, or appointments right from your store. This is a great way to make your Shopify website more interactive and save time by letting visitors schedule with you automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Calendly and sign in to your account. Once you're inside Calendly, you'll want to go to your event type section. This is where all of your booking event options are listed, like a 15-minute meeting, a sales call, or a discovery session. Choose the event that you want to share on your Shopify site. After selecting the event, click the three dots next to it to open the menu. From there, choose Add to Website. Calendly will now show you a few different embed options. You'll usually see choices like Inline Embed, Pop-up Widget, or Pop-up Text. If you want the booking calendar to appear directly on a Shopify page, Inline Embed is usually the best option. If you want a button or pop-up that opens the scheduler when clicked, then one of the pop-up options may work better. Pick the style that fits your store layout and the experience you want for your visitors. Once you choose your embed type, Calendly will generate the code for you. Copy the Calendly embed code carefully. This code is what connects your Calendly booking page to your Shopify store, so make sure you copy the full code without missing anything. Now it's time to switch over to Shopify. Open your Shopify admin and sign into your store. From the dashboard, go to Online Store and then click Pages. This is where you can add content pages to your website, like a contact page, booking page, services page, or a dedicated appointment page. At this point, you can either open an existing page if you want to place Calendly on one you already have, or you can create a new page specifically for bookings. If you're adding Calendly for the first time, creating a new page can be a clean and simple option. Give the page a name that makes sense, like book a call, schedule a demo, or appointment booking. Next, inside the page editor, add a custom liquid block. Depending on your Shopify theme, you may also see an HTML section or another code-friendly block option. The goal here is to insert the embed code that Calendly gave you. Once the custom liquid or HTML block is added, paste the Calendly embed code directly into it. Make sure it's pasted in the correct spot so the widget displays properly on the page. If your theme supports it, you may also be able to adjust the layout around the embed so it looks better on desktop and mobile. For example, you can place text above the scheduler explaining what the booking is for, or add a short call to action like, choose a time that works best for you. That extra context can help increase bookings and make the page feel more polished. After pasting the embed code, review everything one more time. Check that the page title is correct, the embed code is in place, and the page content looks the way you want it to. When everything is ready, click Save. Shopify will now publish the changes, and your Calendly booking widget should appear on the page you selected. Once the page is live, visit your store front end and test it yourself. Make sure the Calendly calendar loads correctly, the buttons work, and customers can actually book an appointment without any issues. It's always a good idea to test it on both desktop and mobile so you know the experience is smooth for every visitor. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to Shopify. Now your customers can schedule time with you directly from your store, which makes it easier to convert visitors into leads, clients, or sales opportunities. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.